Hi guys, Nick here. Now, what I'm going to show you is basically how you can get a domain's name from a .my domains. That means is www.name.com.my. Alright. Now what you can do is you can go to this site, okay, called domainplus.com.my or exabytes.my. Now this is two sites where you can buy domain names and end with extension .my. Now the process is simple. Let's say I think I use domainplus.com.my. Actually I never buy using them. No, I don't use .my basically. I use .com most of the time. So normally I go GoDaddy where I buy .com, but GoDaddy does not have a .com.my if I'm not mistaken lah. Now what I'm going to do is I just search for a name first to see whether it's available. Let's say I want to create a new website called my success. Alright, let's see whether it's available or not, the com.my. Now I just click and put in the name I want, then do a search. If they find it, they'll tell me, alright, it's gonna cost me $25.90. This is per year. Alright, this is per year's pricing. Alright, so I add to, basically you add to cart and then start the process of paying lah. It's simple as that. Alright, it's 1 2 3. Now once you buy the domains already, okay, then the next thing you want to do is the host it. Now hosting is either you do it the whichever site you prefer lah. Okay, basically I don't really know which is the best one, but like I say, I used to use GoDaddy. So what I do is normally I just go GoDaddy, okay, subscribe to their hosting. Alright, there's a hosting here. Alright, just give me a minute. Oh yeah, by the way, when you buy the domain's name, there's a certain rules that I apply lah, because the key is to make it easier for people to remember. If you're doing, like, let's say, providing services to customer and the brand is based on based on you, that means is the best like is that you use your name as a domain. Let's say if you let's say I want to be a so-called celebrity lah, people to know me, okay, to come to my website. They know my name, they come to my website and learn things, and I provide services from there. So probably I will use nickfu.com.my. Directly is my name. Alright, and normally this is easier to get because it's nobody gonna use it. Okay, actually nobody use that name except yourself, right? I even can get .net and things like that, right? So, and key is also if you cannot find, let's say .fu is nickfu is being taken, so you don't try to be funny and put a dash. Nobody can remember nick-fu. Alright, in Chinese also the feng shui is not good, minus, okay? Going down, negative, no good. So we always straight away use a full sentence or of words combined together, and most of the time don't use more than 3 words. Okay, and it's the best that the domain name is relevant to you, is reflect your services or the things you want to do. That means it's considered part of a branding lah. Now, like I say, once you go into GoDaddy and you want to create domains, right? You just website hosting. Alright, so you just click on hosting, right? Business hosting, let's say. Normally I do WordPress hosting. Okay, the other hosting is basically, I think it's not mistaken that you create your own website and you load it there and you manage everything. Whereas WordPress hosting is basically using WordPress as front applications to create your HTML page, okay, or your website. Alright, because WordPress is easier to use. It's got a lot of templates and you can buy from people and just load it in, and very nice templates, which I show you later how I do it. Right now you see the basic pricing is all here. Okay, say now you buy per month is say $50% per month. Careful, you have to read all this. This having one website, that means only got one website. Okay, you cannot have more than 25,000 visitors per month. It really depends how you want to use it. Okay, you have to go through all these configurations and understand it. Okay, now if of course you are big, then you go for the bigger value lah. Okay, the per month. Now of course it really depends on you. Okay, I mean, for me, I just use a basic because I'm creating everything myself. I do not expect this moment of time I have 25,000 visitors per month, so I take the lowest price. Okay, so it's also for me to do testing and learning at the same time lah. Now the next stage would be good is that if you have a site, let's say I go into my own site, okay, which I'm doing most of the time. I have one site to do testing lah, which I pay every year. Okay, I do pay for it every year. Okay, wait. Now okay, no. Wait, okay. Sorry, I cannot show you my my informations. Okay, so I also cannot show you. Just give me a minute. Just pause it first, then continue from there. All right, I'm in. This is basically my the WordPress how to say dashboard lah. Okay, you can see the dashboard here, how many updates I have. Need to do updates, some applications here. Now the thing is with all this is basically apps that you install from. You can install a lot of apps now from this plugins. They call it plugins, where you can search and find whatever plugins you want. Some of them payable, some of them is not. Let's say okay, here is some of the widgets that I have it. Okay, this is some of the plugins that I have installed. All right, MailChimp, which is email tools that I use okay, for email marketing purposes. All right, so this is quite simple. I mean, it takes time to learn, and it's really up to you how far you want to go. Then you just play with it and learn. What I want to show you is basically how to select a themes. Right, themes basically is you look at it as easy one, just a Windows. All right, it's a template. Okay, a template. Okay, you can call it themes. Is equivalent to templates, where someone have created a very nice template where you can just use it and apply it. Okay, like here I'm using a Mandy. Okay, it's called Mandy, the theme. All right, now whatever I want to change, basically I just click on the customizations. All right, to allow me to make changes to the theme. Now the process is very simple. It's nothing complicated, right? You just have to play with it. I won't be able to teach you, show you step by step, because I'm also learning it myself. Like here is basically I can do site. I mean, I need to prepare my site ID. That means what's the title of the site, right? Like the taglines and site. Basically taglines, what you want people to remember you by. Like Nike have their own tagline, just do it, right? Things like that. And what is your tagline you want to do? And of course this is what we call the site icons, which if you look into the how to put it, let me show it to you. Now here, this is what I mean by site icon. Okay, this icon, this is the icon where you want people to go, recognize, oh, this is the site they want to go, correct, right? All of them, most of the major one that we have, like Google's, they have it one. It's very normal to have it. Now of course the next thing is your company logos and things like that. Now I just created this one yesterday. It's for the fun of just testing, for my digital marketing process work. All right, I want to test it out, how it's gonna look like and things like that. How's this themes gonna look like if I look like when I use it, is it in live situation. Now this theme is by default is free. Okay, it's free. Okay, or this it's free, but if I want to use more functions, then I will pay for it. Okay, now let's say I look at the home page, right? Okay, sorry, not this one. This one not important. Not to say not important, just that not at this moment. I don't think you use it. Okay, let's go back to menus first. Footer menu, right? This is a place where you create the menus at the bottom. All right, but for this theme, they do not show footer menu because it's how to say, a basic, or it's a free template. If I need to show all those, I need to pay for it. Right? How do I know? Because when I start playing it, then I realize this is like that now. Upgrade to Pro here. They will tell you upgrade to Pro. Now, how much it will cost you? Let's say this theme, I prefer this theme because I like the colors and the schemes, and it look easy to use. So if I want to buy this theme, right, it will cost me ding. Where's our plugins as a whole? They have all the plugins they would need. If not mistaken, it's only cost. I mean, you go through information here. You basically tell you there's a pricing somewhere. I can't remember. I was playing when I saw yesterday. Let's say go for installation. Okay. All right. Here's the pricing. Now, as a starter package, okay, they don't help you to install basically. You just have to do it yourself. Okay, you install the theme, add sample content, logo, upload, blah 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 blah. This is what it means by that. Okay, this is the things that they give to you. If you buy, this is the price you need to pay. Okay, but it's like say, this is of course people they ask you to buy this one, so they have everything right? Theme installations, WordPress installation, everything they do for you. All right, they help you to do it. If any problem, they just help you. Now, most of the time you can contact them and ask them for the informations. Okay, now even say look at the plugins they have, what sort of themes they have, anything you just ask them. All right, you can contact them one. All right, guys, it's not difficult. It's just taxing. Okay, when you started, it's really taxing, and you have to learn through the process of trying and do it Okay, it's hard for me to show you everything. Okay, when you Google it up, you should be able to easily find the solution for it. Okay, right? That's all. Thanks. Okay.